Oh, all right, let's try this again. Hey everyone, it's giveaway time again here at Jimbo's Garage. For those of you who don't know, HTP is a long-time channel sponsor, and I want to help them give away this brand new HTP Inverock 200 TLP, along with about 10 pounds of different size electrodes, some miscellaneous items, shirts and hats and stickers. This is a lunchbox size stick welding machine that offers up 200 amps and a super smooth buttery arc. And it's coming with this ground clamp, stinger lead, and this very handy carrying case. Throw everything in this carrying case, put it in the back seat of your car or truck, and it offers up just about any of your stick welding needs. Unfortunately, there's only one winner. And to enter, all you got to do is comment in this video below and also subscribe to the HTP YouTube channel, HTP America USA Weld. You've got from now until November the 15th to enter, and I'll announce the winner at the end of the month. And I'm really super excited to see who that winner is going to be. So good luck, thanks for watching, we'll see you soon.